Hello, our topic for today is how to replace Honda car's wiper blade. It is very simple and easy. First, just pull back the wiper blade arm and pull back the blade. And underneath here, there is a little tab, and press it in and then push. And to put it back, you see this rounded hole here? Just push it in a U-shaped arm here. Push it until you hear a click. And after that, put back the blade. The length of the driver's side is 26 inches. Passenger side 16 inches. And the rear side is 13 inches. But also don't forget to refer to your car model for exact size. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.